Hello everyone and welcome. You guys know I'm always looking out for new and different LED work lights to help you guys light up your projects more easily. Well, today we have a convenient and powerful 1200 lumens work light / battery bank to look at. This is not your typical work light. This light has two cob LEDs that can rotate 360 degrees in any direction independently of each other. You can also turn on one or both of the cobs depending on how much light you need. So this light has the potential to be very useful under many different situations. It also has a powerful battery bank that you can use to power up external devices anytime you need. So let's look at this puppy and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here is the light that we're going to look at today from Home Life, and let's open this puppy up. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the 1200 lumens dual cob LED work light / battery bank from Home Life, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this light retails for $49.99. But they do have a 20% off discount coupon on their Amazon page, making it even cheaper than that. So what do you get when you unbox this puppy? Well, you get the light itself, you get a USB-C charging cable to power it up, you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the light, warranty, maintenance, all that kind of good stuff. I suggest you read through that. And the warranty on this light is 1 year, and the dimensions on it are fairly convenient. You're looking at 4 inches in thickness right here, 8 inches in height, and 2 inches in thickness there. So very compact design. And the weight on it is very lightweight. It's only 0.88 pounds, so it's not even 1 pound. Now this puppy is powered up by two 4400 milliamp 18650 rechargeable lithium ion batteries, which should give you a lot of light for a lot of time. Now this light has 3 different light modes, 1200 lumens being the highest. So we start off with high at 1200 lumens, and that'll run for 4 hours continuously from a full charge. Medium is 750 lumens, and that'll run for 5 to 6 hours from a full charge. And low, which is XPG flashlight, which I'll show you in a moment, is 200 lumens, and that'll run up to 15 hours. Now this light is very convenient to set it up just about anywhere, because you see you have a hanging hook up here, so you can hang it down from a tree, a hook, anywhere you want. It has magnets on the bottom, has 4 magnets right there that you can hook it up very conveniently just about anywhere. And it also has a tripod mount, so you can screw it to any device that is compatible with a tripod screw right there and put it anywhere you want. As far as the magnets go, you can see right there how that holds on very nicely to just about any kind of ferrous material, any kind of metal. It'll hook onto it very, very conveniently, and you can mount it just about anywhere you want. Now this guy comes with a USB-C fast charger and a regular USB out, because on the side over here, we move the arm there, you can see you have a little port right here, and you see right there the USB-C for charging up the unit and a regular USB out for power out to power any external devices, because this does work as a battery bank. Now, like I was showing you, the arms, they do rotate independent of each other, and you can pretty much put them in any position you want, up, down, whatever, anywhere you want, independent, and they do rotate 360 degrees. They both have the same amount of motion, so you can aim them anywhere you want. And if you point it, let me point it up here, so you can see, right here at the tip is where you have the XPG flashlight. So you can use that or the cob, whatever is best for you. Now down here you have a power indicator that tells you how much power you have when you're using the light, and it'll also tell you how much you're charging when you're charging it up. So that's very convenient right there. So this guy is really convenient for outdoor activities, barbecuing, camping, hiking, DIY projects, emergency, power outages, roadside breakdowns, automotive repairs, pretty much anything where you need some light. This guy can really help you out in the house, on the car, anywhere, on the go, whatever you need. This guy seems to have a lot of possibilities to it. So let me show you some of the ways this guy lights up right here on the bench, and then we're going to darken up the shop and see how it works out there. So like I said, let me show you right here. You see right there is your light meter, tells you exactly how much power you have. And like you said, you can see right there, You can have the cobs going any direction you want. Both of them the same direction, opposite directions, turn it whatever you want. This way, that way, anywhere at all. Point them down right there. You see it gives you a very convenient, lots of power. You can spread the light in any direction you want. Point this one up, point that one down, whatever you want. Now, the flashlight right here, all you have to do is hold the power button and rotate through this one. That's low mode right there. Like I said previously, you can light these guys up independent of each other. So you see this side on right here, this one's off. This side on, this one's off. Or you turn it off. So you have a choice of both in high, low, or independent of each other. That's a lot of flexibility. For the flashlight, all you do is take the button, press it and hold it, and then your flashlight comes on. So it makes a convenient flashlight. And again, you can aim that in different directions if you want to. Press the button again and you get the SOS mode. Press it again and it's off. And all you do is press it again and you're back to the cob mode. So that shows you right there, that was high, this is low, and then we're going independent mode right there, so you can pick which one is best for you. And in the independent mode, it'll last even longer time because there's only one cob working at a time. So that one goes much, much longer than there. You can get 7 to 8 hours in that mode alone. So let's darken up the shop and see how this guy performs. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look at how well this light lights up everything here in the dark shop. I'm going to darken up the lights real quick right now and show you exactly how well this light lights up a dark room. So I'm going to do it like this right now, basically the rabbit ears position, and see exactly how well this lights up the entire shop. And then we'll cycle through the high, low, independent cobs, etc. and show you how it lights up. And then we'll do the flashlight, see how well that looks in a totally pitch black darkened room. So let's do that right now. Let me turn off the lights and light this puppy up. Alright guys, we have the lights turned off. Let me turn on the light right now and show you exactly that's how much power 1200 lumens, all that it puts out. This is a light right here. This is the only light source in this room right now, lighting up the room. So this is 1200 lumens right there. You see it really puts out a good amount of lighting. So let's go through the different light modes. Right there, that's the medium mode, or 750 lumens right there. And then we can go to the independent. That's one cob and the other one is turned off. That's the other cob, and the other one is turned off. And then that's off right there. Now, let me move it over to the flashlight mode. I'll change the position, and we'll go to flashlight. And there you have the flashlight mode. You see I'm holding, well, there you go. You can see it that way. I'm holding the light this way, so it's downward like that. And you can see the light that it puts out. That's a really good, strong, powerful flashlight right there. That really puts out good light. And if you want to have more light, you can aim it in two different directions. Aim it forward, aim it sideways, wherever you want to go. That is a really good, powerful flashlight. You can move the lights around and aim it in different directions to give you much more lighting. So that's a pretty good light right there. That's very convenient. And if you're broken down somewhere and you need to, there you always have the SOS mode to call for help if you need to do that. So that's very handy and very convenient right there. Well, what if you wanted to use this light as an underhood work light? Remember, it does have magnets, so you can stick it to the underside of your hood. Well, there you have it right there. That's 1200 lumens right there. And what if we cycle down a little lower? That's 750. And then you can go each of the different cobs right there, one side or the other. And if you turn it off, that's the difference that it makes right there. Very little light under that hood, but 1200 lumens certainly can help you quite a bit. So there you have it. And you can hang up the light on a hook, and look how well it lights up this room all by itself. It's just hanging from the ceiling on a hook. It really puts out a lot of power. Alright guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of a really cool LED work light. I think this is a very versatile and different type of LED work light / battery bank. You saw how convenient the different cob positions can be, how lighting things up in different ways can really help you out. You saw how well it lit up different situations with the powerful 1200 lumens that it puts out. It works great as a stationary work light or as a handheld flashlight. Very compact and convenient for any type of situation where you need extra light or battery backup for other devices. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.